is create some pillows for my couch. And as you can see, I have this beautiful fur that I used before in the previous video. But the thing I'm going to do is use a pillow, $2.37 I believe from the store. I'm going to use that pillow to create the pillow for my couch. The reason I'm using this is because my couch is very long and I want some big pillows. And so instead of spending a lot of money for those, I decided to go ahead and use some fabric that I already have incorporated into my living room design. Okay, so I am measuring across the pillow, and I have 20 by about 24. So normally I would make like a 20 by 20 pillow, but because I really want my pillow to be big anyway, when I cut my fabric out, I'm going to make it the exact measurement, because regardless of the pillow being kind of wide, I still can make it fit inside of it. Okay, so again, the width of my pillow is 20 inches and the height is, let me see if I can get it in here. Let me get it right. The width is 24, the height is 20. So I'm starting at the edge of my fabric and I'm gonna go up to 20. And I don't normally use this, but I do want it to show up in the video. So that's my 20 inches. And I'm gonna go across to 24. And of course this would be too long for my table. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna scoot this over to 24. And that's gonna be my point right there where I'm gonna cut my fabric out. So I can use my ruler to finish my line, just so it can show up on camera how my lines are gonna look for this particular pillow. But normally I wouldn't draw a line like this. So I like to keep me some weights close by just in case the fabric shifts when I get the cutting my material out. I'm going to use my fabric scissors to cut this out. And prepare for a nest, because that's basically what happens when you cut it with fur. So I'm going to shift this way so I can cut it out. And this is what I have for my pillow. Now my next step, just lining it up here. My next step, I'm going to take my pins and I'm going to go, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to leave space in between here. This space is going to be for me to place my pillow. So this is my gap that I'm working with. Let me measure it right quick, because this is a pretty big pillow, but like I said, you want to make sure it will fit in there. So it's about 15 inches. I left about 15 inches open. And when I go sew, I'm going to start here. So at that corner, turn my needle, pivot, go up to the next corner, pivot, go back all the way across, pivot back, bring it all the way down, and I'm going to go back to this side. But first I'm going to add my pins before I go to my machine. And I'm going to take this to my machine again, and I'm going to start here, go all the way here, all the way around the material until I come back to this 15-inch gap that I created for my pillow. And when I sew it, I'm going to use like a 5/8 seam allowance. And once I finish sewing it up, I'm going to come back with the next step. Okay. I've already gone around it and sewn it. You see the black lines all around it. And my next step is to cut the corners in a little bit. Because when I poke them out, I want to, I want to be able to poke my corner out of my pillow full. So, that part. Turn it around. This is going to be the outside. And what I'm going to do now is put my pillow in. You can play with your pillow and move it around the way you see fit. So this is my pillow for the most part. And what I'm going to do is this part right here can be folded in. And if you're good with hand stitching, you can start on the inside and stitch across. Or if you want to just take it to your machine, use a thread similar to the color of this pillow, and stitch it closed, and there you have it. And if you wanted to make you a pair, you just go and repeat the steps. Thank you. See you next time.